What will my breast feel like after breast augmentation? This topic specifically, you know, in the nature of breast augmentation, where we're using breast implants is really the general term of it, breast implants, and they are not made all the same anymore. Like they can be dramatically different in their feel. We have saline implants, which is just water inside of a silicone bag. And if you fill up even more, then it's a little bit firmer. And if you fill up less, a little bit softer. So you have this kind of natural kind of spectrum of softness you can have with saline breast implants. Typically, most plastic surgeons will overfill the implant. If it's a 350cc saline breast implant, we overfill it to 400 cc's. But it's been known to decrease the rupture rate of saline breast implants, which inherently have a higher rupture rate than the silicone breast implants. So, but more common in the United States, we're using silicone breast implants. The generation of breast implants have gotten better and better and better. And one of the advances in technology of the silicone implants we have now is that the gel inside has different cohesivity. So it's a little bit stickier, a little bit firmer, and that really changes the look and also the feel of the implant itself. You know, some of the manufacturers have a more of a firmer gel, which means that the cross-linking is a little much more firmer, so it's more form stable. And so it'll be firmer. It will just feel like a firmer breast implant specifically. It depends on how much breast tissue you have over the implant and how soft it's going to feel to you subjectively. So if you have a lot more breast tissue, not quite as noticeable. And if you have very little breast tissue, it becomes more noticeable. Again, because you have less, we call camouflage over the breast implant. And so it really becomes more dependent on the silicone, what kind of silicone cohesivity you have in the breast implant. I would say in my experience, you know, with women want very natural, full breasts that feel very soft and realistic to normal breast tissue. And so I always tend to prefer the softer cohesivity gel implants. Those women that, you know, really want that upper pull fullness, that upper roundness, and they want that kind of like that round look, full look. You know, a firmer, cohesive gel implant it gives you that look. It's a better look for that desired result. But it just depends, you know, on what the patient wants. It's really, you know, up to you. And have that discussion with your surgeon if you choose to go with breast augmentation. You know, you need to kind of talk about, you know, the look I want and also how they feel I want them to feel like. So that's kind of the surgeon's job to kind of give you options, because theoretically, they should be the experts in breast implants and techniques. So that's a great question. I haven't gotten that one in a long time. Don't forget, please bring them. I'm enjoying trying to get through all the content, all the questions I get on a daily basis. And thank you for your time. If you have any questions, just, you know, drop me a comment down below. Thank you again for following me, and I'll see you next time.